Right.
So everybody answer the first two questions, and we'll go to question 3. Okay. Find the margin of error for a 90% confidence level when the standard deviation is theta equals 50 and n equals 25, and round to 3 decimal places. So I just took the little formula, m equals the 1.645, which is the z score for the 90% on the normal on the applet, and multiplied it by the standard deviation 50 over the square root of 25, which equals 5, which gave me a 16.45.
Yeah, correct.
Yes.
Right.
16.45, is that what you said?
Yeah, 16 point.
45, that's right.
Yeah, 45.
That's what I got too.
All right, hooray, hooray. All right,
Question 4.
question 4.
Which of the following statements is true?
Second.
So it would be the second one.
The second one's what I put, but I kind of went back and forth, but that was the only one that made sense to me. How about everybody else?
Well, just on that,
Yeah, second.
chart. On the chart, that's the one that
Yeah, second is the right answer.
gets to the X and the population parameter for me is the U. So
Yeah, that's kind of what I thought they were talking about, was that chart, and that on this list, that's the only one that corresponds to the correct.
is on there.
Yeah.
Right.
Everybody number 2 on that?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Question 5.
Gina.
Anybody?
Yeah, Gina wants to construct a 95% confidence interval for a GMAT scores. She knows the standard deviation is 113. He collected a random sample of size and equal 64. Use this information for the next 6 questions. Which is the point estimate for the true GMAT score? And after I calculate, yeah, I think the 526. Yeah, it's easy.
Okay, so 526.
What's the margin of error for the 95% confidence interval for the true GMAT? And let me yeah, it's easy to get it.
I got 27.685.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, right, correct. Yeah, I have the same answer. 27.685.
Still doing it on my calculator.
Okay.
What did you guys get?
685.
27.685. Justin and Susan, you all in agreement?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. Let's move on. Question 7.
Okay.
What is the lower limit of this confidence level?
Just the manuals, the margin of error. Let me see, use the calculator. 498.315.
That's what I got.
Eric, was it 498.315?
That is correct.
Okay.
You're good.
You good, Susan?
I'm good.
All right, Justin?
I'm good.
All right.
All right, question 8. What is the upper limit of this confidence interval round to 3 decimal places?
So plus the margin. 553.685.
That's what I got.
553.685.
All right, Tessa got that, I got that.
That's what I got.
All right. Susan?
553.685, is that what you said?
That's what everybody's agreeing to.
Okay. I can barely hear people, so I'm trying to do this.
Yeah, I turned up my volume as high as it'll go, so.
Sorry, to be a pain.
You're fine.
There we go. If that helps now. All right. Ready to go on to number 9?
Yes.
Yep. Well, what would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina increased the sample size?
Decrease.
Decrease?
Decrease.
Yep, decrease.
Dividing by a bigger number.
Right. Question 10, what would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina changed it to a 99% confidence interval?
Increase.
It would increase.
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 I'm multiplying it by a higher number.
Right.
I can read this one. I don't read anything.
All right.
Bright Bulb Light Bulb Company, a lot of bulbs, is planning a study to assess the average life expectancy of their light bulbs. They know the standard deviation is equal to 400 hours. They want a 95% confidence interval with a margin of error of 50 hours. What sample size do they need? Round to the nearest whole number. So, all right.
This is where I got
Where
off.
is the square
Mm.
number?
So this is where we take 50 as the margin of error and we say 50 equals the 1.96 times 400 over the square root of the of n and solve for n. 246.
246.
Yep, that's what I got.
Susan?
Yep.
246?
246.
2, 4, 6.
All right, we're on a roll.
Cool.
Number 12. All right.
Oh,
I can do it. The mean salary of actuaries is 100,000 and the standard deviation is 36,730. You are interested to know if the mean salary for women actuaries is different from the population mean, but are not sure if it is higher or lower. You set up a hypothesis test with level of significance alpha equals 0.05 and I forgot what all these are. Hypothesis, the null hypothesis mean equals 100,000 and the alternate hypothesis is mean is not equal to 100,000. So they get all those right.
You did well.
Very well.
You collect a simple random sample of 36 women's salaries and find that sample mean is $111,000. use this information for the next 3 questions. 12, what is the lower limit of the 95% confidence interval?
Where's the margin?
Yeah, we have to figure out the margin of error again.
Yeah, first get the margin.
So multiply the 1.96 times 36730 all over the square root of 36. And my margin of error, I came out to 11,998.46666667. Because they said not to round until we were done.
Right, but then if you just, in your calculator, if you just multiply that, right?
Right.
Multiply it by,
Well, the margin of error you want to subtract. You want to subtract that from the 111,000.
lower. Yeah, that's right. A little lower.
And then when you round up, I got 99,002.
Yeah, 99. Yeah, 99,002.
Yes, that's what I got too.
You got it. I
No.
got it.
All right.
So, and we round up on that one, is that right?
It
On
said,
that margin.
yeah, you always round up.
Right?
That's right.
The question 13, what's the upper limit of this
Wait,
95?
why do you round up on that? You round up on the sample size when you do the sample size, not on the confidence interval. So shouldn't it be 99,001.533? So round to the nearest whole number.
Yeah,
It's
sorry.
So we don't always round up on those. It just says to round up.
No, you're right, though. It's on the sample size. We always round up no matter what. On the
That's-
margin of interval, that was just
It happens to say.
that was the instructions. Yeah.
So what did you put down for the answer? I just did the 11998. Am I supposed to go further?
Well, the margin of error is the 11998 and then 0.46666667. So use that when you subtract.
So you subtract the sample mean from that number. So it's
Right,
111,000 minus the 11998.
right.
All right, hang on. Okay, that, I didn't get this far. $99,002?
Yeah.
Did I get that?
Yeah,
Is that right?
that is
Right.
right.
That's the answer to 12.
That is the answer to 12.
Thank
12.
you.
122,998.
122,998 on the upper.
That's what I got.
That's what I got.
Okay, super. Question 14. There are 3 requirements that need to be checked when computing a confidence interval for a mean. They are: a simple random sample was drawn, the standard deviation is known, and X is normally distributed. All of the above.
The above.
All
I
of the
did all
above.
of the above too.
Very good.
All right.
Okay, we can submit. Submit.
See what I got.
Yippee!
100%. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Good.
Yeah,
100%?
Susan?
Yep, got it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yay.
Awesome. We kind of rocked that out, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. I think that was
Good.
a lot easier than the previous things we had done.
I would agree.
Gave my brain a little bit of a break.
So a little more math and not so much here and there, and
Yeah.
making it
Right.
weird.
More math, less new concepts, I think. And
Right.
and I think in the lesson too, now I didn't do any of the tutorials, but in the lesson, I felt like it kept repeating the same things over and over and over again. So made it a little bit
Probably is on purpose.
on purpose, absolutely.
Okay, so Thursday at 3?
Thursday at 3.
There we go.
All
Sorry.
right.
Today.
That's okay. That's okay. Maybe your husband can take a look at the computer and find out what the
Yeah, I
problem
know.
was.
I don't know, because I was able to get in the quiz just fine and take it and everything, so I know it's not my internet, it's just something that's,
Yeah.
hopefully it works on Thursday.
Yep.
We.
All right.
All right.
Okay. Thank you. We'll see you later.